In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes in HubSpot quickly and easily. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the details to seamlessly integrate QR codes into your marketing strategy. To begin, let's explore the various options available online for generating QR codes. There are plentiful resources such as QR Code Generator, QR Code Monkey, and Canva. These tools offer fantastic flexibility and cater to varied needs, whether you aim to link a URL, provide contact information, or even include a snippet of text. They simplify the process and make it accessible for anyone to create professional-looking QR codes in no time. Once you've chosen the QR code generator that suits you best, it's time to input the information you want to encode. Whether you're embedding a website URL, adding a piece of text, or including detailed contact information, these generators will help you create a QR code tailored to your specific purpose. This step is crucial as it ensures that your QR code directs people to the information you intend to share. Now that we have our QR code, it's imperative to integrate it with HubSpot, one of the leading platforms in marketing automation. If you haven't done so already, log into your HubSpot account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to sign up for an account. This integration forms the backbone of effectively using QR codes in your digital marketing materials, so make sure you have access to all necessary HubSpot tools. Having generated your QR code, you'll want to download it as an image, typically in either PNG or JPG format. This step makes it easy to include the QR code across various HubSpot content types. Whether you're embedding it in an email, adding it to a landing page, or enhancing a blog post, downloading the image ensures it's right there whenever you need it. Simply upload the image into your HubSpot content, where it will be prominently displayed for users to interact with. Finally, it's time to preview and launch your site. Before going live, double-check that the QR code is correctly displayed and works as intended. Scan the QR code with your mobile device to ensure it directs you to the correct location. Once everything looks good, publish your content. By launching your site with an embedded QR code, you provide ease of access for others to engage with your content swiftly and conveniently. And there you have it, a clear path to creating and integrating QR codes into HubSpot. These codes are a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance the interactivity and reach of your marketing campaigns. Thank you for joining us today, and happy coding!